Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. Tatay Digong, we love you.
Ma'am, birthday ni Kong Kulong karon. Pagka-shoutout siya, ni Kong Kulong. Birthday ni Kong Kulong. Yan, nagsabot sila dito.
BP Sara, we love you!
BP Sara, we love you!
So, ready for picture taking. Very sorry na delete po. Hindi po namin magawa na kanya-kanya. No? We will have our group picture taking for security reasons. Okay. Pwede ba?
Selfie na lang, selfie. Selfie na lang siya diya.
Oh, sige.
Selfie na lang siya diya.
Sige.
Kita mo lang yung likod. Selfie na lang siya.
BP Sara is ready for picture taking. Okay.
Selfie na lang siya.
Alright, we would like to announce to the public, we will have a selfie. If you have your banners with you, put it up. Ang mga flag, you put it up, no? We will take a picture here with VP Sara for the crowd shot. Kay itaas! Itaas ang mga flag! Kung wala kayong mga flag, raise your iron fist! Raise your iron fist! Ready! Ready! 1, 2, 3! Duterte lang malakas!
O sa ka-atras ang alimit mo. Doon po.
Babaka po na po.
Doon po. Paano po? Usog po lang ano. Usog pa daw. Yung mic, yung mic.
Mga kababayan, ang gusto pong magpa-selfie kay VP Sara, we will start in this part. We will enter here. We will take a photo with VP and then we will exit in that area. I would like to call the attention of the security to please guide the people, make a line here in this area, please. And then let's control the people. Security people, please.
Grabe ka nagtao guys. Gigamit pa, gigamit pa.
Sound check. Paging Aldo.
Alright,
Media, please follow Aldo, please.
habang nagpipicture, magkakakata po ako ng salamat. Salamat po, Inday Sara!
Hello! Baho na ba kayo kong adlaw?
Ready na po ba ang mga security natin? Sige po.
Unya na, relax na kayo. Balik na mo talaga. Unya na, sir. Unya na, te.
Salamat po, Inday Sara.
Thank you.
Lakasan natin, kuya. Alright, picture lang kayo dyan. Kuya, give me a microphone effect.
Hello, ma'am.
Kung ito man ang huling awitin, nais kong malaman mo ay bahagi na ng buhay ko. At kung may huling sasabihin, kuya, nais kong sambitin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Effects.
Thank you. Thank Alvin.
Kasama kita lumuhan. Dahil sa'yo ako'y may pag-asa. Sabay-sabay ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, sa iyong marinig, tibok ng damdamin. Dagang salamat, ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin. Ang awitin ko'y iyong bibig.
Hindi maririnig.
Space.
Kasi mahirap narinig yung Sige po. Your statement, sige, Bibi. Na, you met it.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Maybe, nakasabi ko, according to sabi niya, pulis na yung teeth at may isang, is that correct? Pero buo na ba? 5,000. Alright. And then, as to your siblings po, may nakaskip Kamusta po yung process? Yes,
Simahon ako ganda.
so si Kitty po yung may visa na. Okay, sige.
How was his health? Because he was broken. Is he very alive? Does he feel better now?
Yes.
Hello. Gawin na lang natin na ganito. Yung mga taga-France,
Is he getting better food?
papapicture siya ng taga-France. Taga-Belgium, taga-UK, and then, okay. So, ganun lang gagawin natin. So, let us see. Kailangan namin ng talagang serious kayo. Huwag magsilakan. Okay, after the press conference.
About how the budget is done, and after what they did to President Duterte, knowing that he is the strongest opposition, he has the strongest line out, that there is something cooking about the upcoming election.
Mr. Duterte, can you tell us something about the process so far at the ICC? His first hearing, the judge was French, the witness was French. Can you tell us a little bit about how the process is going at the moment?
Well, we would have wanted that the lawyer currently in the Jaldeya speaks more about what is and the president was forced into a plane and taken against his will to the Netherlands.
So, ang mangyari ngayon,
but that's
you group yourself according to it.
what under the bridge.
Kung sino yung taga-France,
Just out of interest, we all want to know in the head.
magpalitrato
Where
tayo.
did he spend his first life? Which hospital? What happened?
Kung sino yung, yun ang gagawin natin. So France is France, Belgium is Belgium, Austria is Austria.
Medications were prescribed in the hospital.
In the Hague or in Amsterdam?
Germany, ano na ang
I'm
mga...
just curious to read my tasting.
For security people, please ask them to move a little bit backward. Please.
Paano ba yung setup? Dapat para kang natin gaga. Doon sa harap. Kasi doon po magsiselfie yung madaming tao, dumudumog. Kailangan po yung makasasal. Mabiral gani ka kayo mo. Capture naman asa ko. Yes, daghan kay supporter, approximately more than I think 6,000 to 10,000 people. Okay, security. Salamat boss.
Security people, can you make a line here? Let's assist the people that want to take a selfie with the baby. Let's do it as slow as we can. Let's be safe. No pushing. Everybody will have a time to take a photo with our baby as long as it's safe. And then we do it as courteous as possible. Okay, security people, please assist. Assist.
One line lang.
Yung VP? Yung VP? Thank you.
Nag-live ka?
Oh, nag-live ka. Shout out ka. I'm from Butuan City. Again, the Oro City. Hello, everyone. Shout out sa Butuan. Pana sa ating birthday pa, oh. Hello. Hello. Please follow this assault. Dali lang, okay. Pagkagwapa ni Mama. Your Highness, ikay si Mama. Siyempre ito ko. Wait lang.
Oh, thank you so much. My God, love you.
Salamat. Salamat, France. Yay, thank you.
Thank you po. Wait, i-announce na mo, ate.
Hindi nagka-picture ni Tatay Digong. Tatay Digong.
Alvin! Rakmi, ang subscriber sa Belgium.
Sige, Ben. Maming Day!
Selfie mo.
Hey, I love you.
Relax lang.
Alvin,
Thank you so much.
Wala problema. Wala problema.
Can you bring us to Saga? Salve mo naman kami sa vlog mo. Appeal mo sa imong vlog, sir.
Wait sa sir, ha?
See you Saturday, Alvin.
See you, ha?
Appeal pag may mo. Hi, sir, mo sa imong vlog, sir.
Oh, hi kasi mong vlog.
Hi! Hello, Davao! Ireland! Hello to Ireland!
Hello from Belgium!
Oh, ito talaga. Meron tayong 4,000 people. Nanonood. Hello po.
Okay. FYI, people, if you want to take a photo with VP, the entrance is on that end. We will do it at the gate with the volunteers in that area for the security.
Balik lang po ako guys, saglit lang.